Hey everyone, welcome back to Skills Exceed. Today I'll show you how to extract specific parts of a string from the left and right in Excel. This trick is incredibly useful for data cleaning and text manipulation. Let's say we have a list of words and we want to split them into two parts. If we try to do this manually, it would take a lot of time and there's a high chance of making mistakes. But don't worry, I'll show you an easy way to do it. We can achieve this using two simple functions, left and right in Excel. The left function allows us to extract a specific number of characters from the beginning of a string. Here's how it works. We want to extract the word door from doorbell. Since door has 4 characters, we will write the formula accordingly. Start by typing the function. Select the cell reference where the main string is located. Specify the number of characters to extract. Press enter, and there you have it. Excel instantly extracts the first 4 letters from the string. Now, let's extract characters from the right side of the string. The right function works similarly, but it extracts characters from the end of the string. Now, we want to extract the word bell from doorbell. Since bell has 4 characters, we'll set the character length to 4 in the formula. Type the function. Select the cell reference where the main string is located. Enter the number of characters to extract, 4 for bell. Press enter. See how simple it is. The formula extracts the last 4 letters of the word in just one step. Instead of typing the formula repeatedly, let's apply it to the entire list at once. Click on the cell with the formula. Move your cursor to the bottom right corner until you see a small plus sign. Double-click or drag it down to apply the formula to the rest of the column. And just like that, all the values are extracted instantly. That's how easy it is to extract left and right parts of a string in Excel. These formulas are incredibly useful for data cleaning, text processing, and automation. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to Skills Exceed for more amazing Excel tips. See you in the next video.